Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create talking anim characters in a simple way.
Okay, let's go to our tutorial.
First thing we'll need is an anim character. We will use 𝗧𝗯𝗃 art for this. In the search bar, type 𝗧𝗯𝗃 art, no registration required. I will search an anim character by entering anim character 𝗃𝗲. Choose the one you like to most. Download the image in here. Next, let's find a background. Type Anim Studio no people and look for a room with lot of color. Grab attention. Select the on you perfect image now. Now we need to remove the background from the character's image. Go and search remove BG. It's a free website. Upload your image, but quality much lower. Once registered, upload the image and the site will process it, then download the image in here. The next step involves image editing. For this, you can use Photoshop or Canva. Today I will use Canva Pro. Search Canva. Touch create a design, customize size. Change the size, width, and height 1280 to 720. Create new design. Go to upload. Upload you generated background image and anim character. Drag and drop background image and anim character. Now we need add some details like table, monitor, lamp. Go to element and search you want item and choose best item after drag and drop matching point. Download the image in here. You can download PNG type or JPG. Okay, let's go to Photoshop. You can use the Photoshop with online. Add you created image. Touch spot heading brush tool. Brush the character mouth for remove. Save the image. For the final step, create a video. We will use CapCut, a free program popular and widely used for video editing. Open CapCut. Drag the edited image into the timeline and the green screen video file in the video description. You get a video like this. As you can see, as its mouth animation saying something. You just need to remove green screen. Touch the layer, choose video, cut out, chroma key, color picker, and click on the green background. Increase the strength and shadow to the maximum. Now we need to position these mouths on the characters. Increase the strength and shadow to the maximum. Now we need to position these mouths on the characters. Hit the export button to export your video.
Thank you watching my video. Subscribe my channel.